You've probably heard people say you can make money online using AI tools. But let's be real, most of that is garbage. Courses, crypto pumps, and drop shipping with no inventory. Today, I'm cutting through the noise. I'm showing you 3 AI tools that people are using to actually make up to $1,000 a day. No tech skills, no startup cash, and no BS. These are tools you can start using today, and I'll even show you real strategies, real platforms, and real examples. Let's jump straight into it. The first tool, no surprise, is ChatGPT. But we're not just asking it questions. We're going to turn it into a money machine by combining it with freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even People Per Hour. Here's how it works. Start by going to Fiverr and searching for services like blog writing, product descriptions, YouTube script, social media captions, email marketing copy. Now, look at the prices. You'll see sellers charging anywhere from $25 to $200 per gig, and many of them are not great writers. Here's where ChatGPT becomes your secret weapon. Let's say you're offering blog posts. Give ChatGPT a detailed prompt like, write a 1,000-word blog post on 5 eco-friendly habits to start in 2024 in a conversational tone, optimized for SEO, using H2S and bullet points. Within seconds, you'll get a solid draft. Now don't just copy-paste. That's where people mess up. Tweak the tone, fact-check a bit, maybe personalize the end. Now it sounds human. Direct hit pro tip. Use Grammarly or Hemingway to polish it further. Let's do the math. If you write 3 to 5 articles per day at $40 each, that's $120 to $200. Scale up, raise your prices, and outsource later. I've seen solo freelancers hit $400 to $500 a day doing just this. Next up is Opus Clip, and this one is a game changer. If you're into video content or want to work with people who are, here's the deal. Short-form video is dominating platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. But editing these clips manually is super time-consuming. Opus Clip uses AI to automatically detect highlights in long videos, add captions, zoom in on faces, add emojis, music, sound effects, and most importantly, make videos go viral. So how do you make money? You offer shorts editing services to YouTubers, podcasters, coaches, or brands. Just go to YouTube, search for channels that post long-form videos, but don't have shorts. Reach out and say, hey, I can turn your podcast into high-performing TikToks and shorts using AI. Want to see a sample? Then run their video through Opus Clip, customize the style a bit, and send it back. Direct Hit now lists this service on Fiverr or Upwork as well. You can charge $15 per clip, $100 for 10 clips batch, or monthly retainers for $500 plus. One client paying $300 per month. 10 to Shorts already puts you on track. Get 3 clients, that's nearly $1,000 per month per client. Now here's where we bring in passive income. Leonardo AI. It's like Midjourney, but more customizable and easier to use for e-commerce. Here's the strategy. Use Leonardo to create original art in any niche. Anime, streetwear, cyber, funny animals, motivational quotes. Upload those designs to Printify, Print, or Gelato and connect them to Etsy or Shopify. Every time someone buys, the company prints and ships the product. You don't touch inventory, shipping, or customer service. Direct Hit design 50 to 100 items once. Promote them. Pinterest, TikTok product showcases, Etsy SEO. Use Marmalade or Everbee for keyword. People make $10 to $25 profit per sale. Just 40 sales a day across mugs, hoodies, and posters equals $1,000 per day. You can even test multiple niches quickly because Leonardo makes batch creation easy. Look, I'm not saying you'll hit $1,000 tomorrow, but here's a realistic game. Step 1, pick one. Don't do all 3 at once. Step 2, master the service. Watch tutorials, study top sellers. Step 3, get your first sale by offering it for cheap or even free to get reviews. Step 4, raise prices and optimize your work. Step 5, scale, outsource repetitive stuff, automate with AI. Alright, so those were 3 no BS AI tools to help you start earning online. White heavy checkmark, ChatGPT for content gigs. White heavy checkmark, Opus Clip for video edit. White heavy checkmark, Leonardo AI for e-commerce and digital product. If you want a step-by-step tutorial on any of, just drop it in the comment. I read every one. And if you found value, smash that like button, hit subscribe,